मुरगांव पत्रकार लेखक संघान शेनवारा MES विद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर पत्रकारिता कार्यशाळा आयोजित केली। ह्या कार्यावळीन पत्रकारितेचे शिक्षण घेवपी विद्यार्थ्यांक मार्गदर्शकांनी मार्गदर्शन केले। ह्या वेळार वास्कोचे आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदा आनी हेर मानेस्त हाजीर आशिल्ले। आरडीएक्सो खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
We had a workshop for journalist students of MES College, which we have been doing since last 8 years, our Murgaon Patrikar Lekhat Sangh, since when I was the president. And I really appreciate our Murgaon Patrikar Lekhat Sangh, the president Santosh Gurjwekar and all our team for conducting this workshop in a very successful manner. And I'm sure these students who have undergone the training in this workshop will definitely take a lot of positives, and definitely this practical knowledge what they have obtained, what they have attained in this workshop, that will definitely benefit them in their future.
Murgaon Lekhat Sangh एक one big seminar on journalism, and it is very good that the students are taught how to become a journalist. In today's world, I think it is required that more and more students should join journalism. There is a lot of scope for them today. We have got so many newspapers, so many TV channels, so many magazines.